Hey, what's up everybody? Here is another unboxing. This shipped from Ashland, Virginia from Vitamin Shop. I am not sponsored, unfortunately, by Vitamin Shop or any of the products in here, but I would love to be. If you have a cool, healthy product or a website awesome website like Vitamin Shop, and you want to sponsor me, slide up in my DMs. You can always cash at me at London Hawthorne. But yeah, thanks so much for watching my videos. I appreciate it. So, I have found that Bang energy drinks are a great sugar-free energy drink that I use as my pre-workout, and it's doing pretty well for me. And I found that if you do the subscribe and save option on their website, buy a case at a time, you can really save in the long run. You know, these are like $2 to $3 at a gas station. You can get these for like, I don't know, I haven't actually, I can't remember. It's like $1.40, $1.50 a can. So this is Rainbow Unicorn. This was like their super duper rare flavor, but now you can get it at pretty much anywhere, but it tastes really, really, really good. I don't know, it's like funfetti. I mean, it just tastes great. It tastes like what you expect a unicorn to taste like. Thanks so much for watching my video. I have done a review of this, so after you're done watching this, please subscribe, please share, hit that notification bell, and in my search bar, type in Rainbow Unicorn, and you'll see my review of this very energy drink and a whole bunch more. Be safe out there, get fit, get healthy, and let's get through this. Have a great one.